Columbia Water Center staff recently returned from a trip to India, and while there we spent some time in Punjab, where we're doing some very exciting work. Punjab is a state in northern India, right near the border with Pakistan. Farmers in Punjab primarily raise rice and wheat. In fact, Punjab is known as the breadbasket of India, and its farmers produce nearly half of the total grain purchased by the Indian central government. Punjab, however, is in trouble, as the water needed to ensure food production is running low. The problem is that rice is a very water-intensive crop. It is traditionally grown via flood irrigation, meaning that an entire field is flooded. Punjabi farmers rely on huge quantities of groundwater to grow rice, and although there is groundwater available in Punjab, it isn't unlimited. The emphasis on rice has really reduced groundwater levels, as farmers use more than can be replaced from natural sources. Declining groundwater levels have raised concern as to Punjab's sustainability as the breadbasket of India, and also threaten water used for human and livestock consumption. In light of this very significant problem, the Columbia Water Center, with the support of the PepsiCo Foundation, is engaged in two efforts in Punjab. The first is to make rice cultivation more efficient and less water-intensive. There are several different methods here, but the basic idea in all of them is to reduce the amount of water used to grow the same amount of rice. In traditional rice cultivation, a field is irrigated or flooded in order to kill weeds. Once the water dries, the field is flooded again, up to 40 times a season. We are experimenting with several different methods to reduce the number of times a field is irrigated. Each irrigation uses a tremendous amount of water. Irrigating just 1 hectare uses 500,000 liters of water, which would provide 1,000 people with the basic water they need for 10 days. Clearly then, the potential impact of this work is huge. The second strategy is to shift farmers away from rice, which can be grown more efficiently in other parts of India, and towards cash crops, which can both use less water and also raise their income. How to do this is actually very complicated, because while many Punjabi farmers recognize that rice production isn't sustainable, there's a guaranteed market for it, national government. While alternate crops can produce more income for farmers, they are also perceived to be risky, since the market for them isn't guaranteed. A main focus of our work in Punjab has been to bring together corporations who can offer a guaranteed market for some of these crops, with farmer groups who would be willing to experiment with some alternatives. The vegetable crops currently promoted by the Water Center are the most immediately profitable, but a range of alternative options are being explored, such as flowers and seeds. The potential impact of this work is multifaceted. Not only can farmers save water and increase incomes, but this work will also save energy, huge amounts of which are used in pumping water. In addition, there is currently a large cost to the state, which provides subsidies for all this energy. By decreasing groundwater consumption and switching to alternative crops, farmers can both increase their own income as well as help improve the state's finances. In the coming season, beginning with the spring of 2010, we'll be rolling out many of these programs in Punjab, and we'll be monitoring the results closely.